Wow, this is possibly bossing. Let's make cranberry barbecue rib. Let's step on the gas. Let's go. First, let's make our cranberry barbecue sauce. 2 cups fresh cranberries, half cup brown sugar, 2 cups ketchup, 1 tablespoon molasses, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, a tablespoon garlic powder, tablespoon onion powder, 1 cup water, 1 cup orange juice, and salt, pepper to taste. Mix well and let it cook for 15 minutes. Let's go. Here we go, my rib. Remove the membrane. Master as a binder of both sides. Season it with your favorite rib rub. Add your rib to your grill. Smoke at 250 for 3 hours. Let's go. Make sure you spray your rib with apple juice water every 30 minutes. After 3 hours, wrap your rib in brown sugar butter. Then smoke it for another hour. And finally, add on your cranberry barbecue sauce. Ready, slice and enjoy.